If you feel like your German language skills aren't improving as fast as they should, then you have come to the right place. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the 5 daily habits that I use for my own language learning and that I also teach my students to help you learn German more effectively and efficiently. And definitely go ahead and adjust these to your level and add them to your daily routine. I promise you'll see massive improvements in your German. And if you're new to this channel, hallo und herzlich willkommen bei Speak Fluent German. Ich heiße Salome and this channel is all about helping you build your confidence and conversation skills in German. So if this is what you're looking for, then hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my weekly lessons. Alright, los geht's! Habit number 1, daily affirmations in German. Memorizing affirmations and saying them out loud has 3 important benefits. First, if you focus on your goal of improving, the affirmations will help you believe in yourself as a future German speaker. Second, if you're actually saying them in German, you're getting some valuable German speaking practice every single day. And third, when we influence our thoughts, it's also going to change our behavior patterns. Plus, as a bonus, you feel better, have more energy and motivation to improve your German. You can write these affirmations on a post-it and stick them somewhere where you see them regularly. Or you can download my 5 favorite affirmations for learning German as a wallpaper for your desktop or mobile phone. The link to download it for free is in the description box below. Alright, so here are some of my favorite affirmations in German. Nummer 1. Ich freue mich darauf, mehr und besser auf Deutsch zu sprechen. Nummer 2. Ich erlaube mir jeden Tag immer mehr und mehr Deutsch zu sprechen und zu verstehen. Nummer 3. Es ist gut für mich, Fehler zu machen. Fehler helfen mir, mich zu verbessern. Nummer 4. Es macht mir Spaß, jeden Tag etwas Neues zu lernen. Nummer 5. Ich freue mich darauf, neue Menschen auf Deutsch kennenzulernen. Habit number 2. Listen to German podcasts and songs. This is something you can easily integrate into your daily life. I love listening to podcasts while going for a long walk. That's me time, and it not only helps me to recharge, but I also try to use this time efficiently to learn something new. Surrounding yourself with the sound of German not only benefits your listening comprehension, but also your pronunciation. It gives you a feeling of how certain letter combinations are pronounced. And if you want to learn more about German pronunciation, definitely check out my free lesson in the description box below, where I go through all the essentials that you need to know. Alright, so here are some podcasts for beginners. The Super Easy German Podcasts for Beginners. Coffee Break German, and Long Story Short by Chatterbug. I'll link all of these below as well. And if you want to know more about how to learn German with music, definitely check out this video right here. Habit number 3, watch German YouTube videos or movies. Instead of watching your favorite movie in your native language on a Friday night, why not try to find the movie in German? You probably won't even need subtitles if you have seen the movie a couple of times before. However, if you do want to use subtitles, here's how I would do it. If you are a total beginner, definitely go ahead with English subtitles first. Watching movies in German can still help you, even as a total beginner. It helps you to get used to the sounds of the German language. If you are a more advanced learner, try to use German subtitles instead and read along. This helps you a lot with training your ear to decode fast-spoken German and to understand native speakers more easily. Und wenn du schon richtig gut Deutsch kannst, dann darfst du natürlich oder solltest du ganz ohne Untertitel schauen. And one pro tip here. Take notes. Don't forget that you're doing this for your language learning, even though it might be a chill Friday night. Write down new vocabulary or anything that you notice that you would like to look up or research or simply revise later. Habit number 4. Learn one new word or phrase each day. Learning one new word or expression a day is absolutely doable and not too overwhelming. And if you want more tips on how to study new vocabulary effectively and efficiently, then definitely check out my video here where I reveal my top 3 techniques. Habit number 5. Change your social media accounts to German. How many times a day do you access platforms like Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram? Surrounding yourself with the German language as much as possible will give you daily access to the words used on these platforms and will ensure that they become part of your vocabulary. Habit number 6, write your daily journal entries in German. If you're someone like me who loves to journal, then this is something you should definitely incorporate into your daily routine, even as a beginner. Obviously, as a beginner, you might not be writing pages and pages, but you can still challenge yourself to write a short paragraph about what you did that day, or even about what you've studied in German that day. Alright, that's it for today. Let me know in the comments below which language learning habit has been working for you. I'm really curious to know. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and smash that notification bell so you'll never miss any of my weekly lessons. Also, if you want to learn more from me, definitely go ahead and check out these 2 videos right here as well. Das ist alles für heute. Vielen Dank fürs Zuschauen und bis nächste Woche. Tschüss!